Hello, Miles here again. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Playful Grand. And my name is Mai Vyuno. I'm the artist and educator at Playful Grand in Monterey, California. Today, I wanted to share my recent experience in hair donation after my self-haircut for the last video, which is here if you are interested in. And would like to share the information I found about the donation of hair that's shorter than 10-12 inches. There seem to be a minimum length for a lot of hair donation. So please hang out and find out what I did for the hair donations. Before the haircut, I was already thinking of donating my hair. That was one of the reasons I kept my hair grow, and I thought that the hair needed to be certain lengths. And right before the haircut, I did a quick research on Google to see what the specifics might be for hair donation. But it was so quick, and I'm just gonna show you how I did so you can see. This was my initial quick research for hair donation. Put hair donation, Google. I didn't go deep. Yeah, right here, hair donation general information says hair donations must be at least 10 inches long and bound in ponytail or braid. I tried to make sure that my hair is longer than 10-12 inches. That was the information I found through very quick research. Yeah, after I cut my hair and started looking through the hair, I realized that a lot of hair I got wasn't long enough even for 10 inches. I started doing further research to find out if there is any organization that I might be able to take hair that's shorter than 10 inches, as well as loose hair, clippings, things like that. So in my second time research, I actually clicked some of the organizations' websites trying to get more specific information about hair donation. The couple of organizations I looked at are this one, Wigs for Kids, that actually came up on top. Immediately after reading the first step, it says they want the hair to be 14 inches or longer. They could take 12 inches, yet they prefer 14 inches longer, which I didn't have, but it's a good information for you if you have longer hair. Then another place I looked at was the Locks of Love, and they do take a hair that's 10 inches and up to make a hairpiece. Yeah, the hair needed to be bundled, and I did not pre-bundle my hair. A lot of hair I got are all kind of together, so I could bundle afterwards, but I wasn't sure if they will take that. No, it doesn't say pre-bundle, but they don't take hair swept off the floor or shaved without being bundled. So the Locks of Love's requirement for the minimum length of the hair donation is 10 inches. Also, the Locks of Love website says that shorter hair will be separated from the ponytails and may be sold to offset the manufacturing costs. It's just they cannot use shorter hair for hair pieces. So I kind of wanted to make sure that I'm not gonna send hair that's not useful. Another thing for Locks of Love, they prefer you to go to a hair salon that's done the hair donation for the organization. And I already cut my hair, so I couldn't do it. So that's another reason I decided to continue my research. So the organization I ended up finding and donating my hair to is called matteroftrust.org. Unlike the other organizations that use hair donations to make hair pieces for patients, this organization actually use hair to make hair mats. For oil spills, their requirement for hair donation is pretty much they take everything. It says our goal is to divert fibers from the waste stream. Donations of hair, fur, fleece, clippings, feathers, laundry lint from individual salons, groomers, farmers, etc. So yeah, pretty much everything. Because I had some hair that was loose, some hair was short, some hair long, and most of the hair was shorter than 10, 12, 14 inches, I decided to donate my hair to this organization. So I could donate all, no waste. So the way I donated my hair is to click join on their website and create your account. It's easy. Create an account. You put your first name, last name, email, create password, whatever. Let's see, sign in. Then you get verification number here, and verify that, and log in. Once you created your account, there is other information that they ask, and you can put your photo, profile image. You can actually, these are required. So I'm in the United States, State California, Pacific Grove. That's where I live. And that, then you can save. Okay, so it's all good to go. On this website, I'm already there. But then creating GIFs here, and you upload image and title. You will need to pick the department as Clean Wave and Oil Spills to donate your hair to the particular organization. Then you will find different categories for different fibers. Then I picked hair. Then there are a few different subcategories for the hair. I had two different types of hair. The one was ponytails 5+ inches, so I created one gift as ponytails and the other gift as clippings. So I posted two posts for donations. So those are the two posts. So these are clippings. They are not bundled, and the other one, these are the bundles, and I measured them and it was around 8 to 10 inches. So I put that in my title, but also I picked the subcategory as 5+ inch ponytails. So that was it. And the person named Claire from the organization contacted me almost immediately after I posted them and sent me the address through the message on this website that I sent my hair to. I packed 2 different kinds of hair in 2 different bags, but put them in one box and sent them off from my local post office. That's it. Pretty easy. So I hope this information is helpful for some of you might be considering donating your hair or thought about it before but thought that maybe you couldn't do it because your hair was too short. It is possible to donate shorter hair clippings, loose hair to an organization like Matter of Trust and be used for a good cause. I will put the links of organizations in the description below, so if you are considering donating your hair, please check them out. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!